Hi guys, welcome to another week. I decided to be doing a video when I take a trade because I'm forgetting where I took the trades. And so here is a trade that I took yesterday. Yesterday was on a Monday, but I do not trade on Mondays. But I took a trade, you guys. Not following rules. You know. I took that trade at 10 a.m. yesterday, and I have exited right at this candle because you guys, I can see that price has reached my equilibrium, and I was aiming for this equilibrium. However, I think I'm anticipating for price to at least come to this fair value gap and then take out the last week's low, because we have not had a change of character on the daily charts. Yeah, at least I'm anticipating. You can see, guys. I'm anticipating for price to refill this gap, and then maybe we shall be taking out our previous week's low. But you guys can never be too sure, so that is what I'm waiting for. As you can see on our 4-hour chart, we are already in premium. On our hourly chart, we are still at the equilibrium, so I would anticipate for price to at least go to that area before going lower. Yes. So guys, what else? Oh, let me show you the trade. That was the trade. I took $8 off. You guys, can you imagine holding a trade from yesterday to now? Today's on a Tuesday, right? And I only got $8. Anyway, you guys, I'm just training myself to use a lower lot size because I want to fund my account next week. That is the start of a new month. So I'll be using these losses. So I'm just testing how I will be making profits and losses. So far I've had no loss with these losses, but you guys, we move, okay? Losses are part of the game and we learn from our losses. Let me see you the next time I'm checking a trade, which is possibly maybe, I don't know. But I'll update you guys. Today is on Wednesday, 1 p.m. New York time. So I'm here to update you guys on a trade that I took. This is our hourly chart, and you guys, I told you guys I'll be taking my trades of high time frame because these lower time frames are a bit tricky for me. Okay, so I took this trade. As you can see, there's a marked fair value gap here on this down close candle, on that bearish candle. I took a trade from there. I think it was on this candle because I got it late, but price was still around there. And you guys, let me tell you something. Something in my mind told me place your stop loss above these highs because price would might come up here. And so I placed my stop loss above that high. Instead, the old me would place a stop loss here. So I exited this trade. As you can see, guys, we are still in premium. We were still in premium at this point, and I was waiting for price to hit this. Let me show you on our 4-hour chart. I was waiting for price to come to this fair value gap, and then I would take a bearish trade. As you can see, we hit that and price started reversing. The moment that price hit that fair value gap, I went to my 1 hour where I like to execute my trades, and I waited for a change of character, and it happened right here. So I saw this fair value gap, and I entered at that fair value gap, and I aimed for this order block here, just around this equilibrium, because it is equilibrium and price will do what it wants. But you guys, I'm really anticipating for price to take out this low. This is last week's low, so I'm anticipating for price to take out that low. And also I was framing my trade on daily chart. This is our daily chart. So you guys, there's a lot of things going on around here. So as you can see, yesterday was on a Tuesday, right? So yesterday we filled this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap. So I was anticipating for a bearish day today, at least, if we were, I was just waiting for a change of character, then I take a short position. So let me show you the trade that I took. That is the trade that I took, 0.1 lot size, and I exited at $22. So you guys, I'm just trying to build a narrative when I start trading live money. So yeah, so that was my trade on Wednesday. So we wait for either tomorrow or Friday. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Not really an episode. It's not okay, what am I saying? Okay, so guys, today is on a Thursday. Yesterday I did show you a trade that I took, and I exited around this place. So today is on a Thursday, right? So our trading started here. So yesterday I took a trade from this fair value gap, because I knew that price was going to take out this low, this orange line that I have here. This line is last week's low, and I took a trade from this fair value gap, and as you can see, there's another block there. So I took this trade from here, and I held it until around today morning, because I exited this trade today morning. I did not have the patience to hold this trade, which is wrong. But you see guys, the pullback that it had, a retracement up here to at least to get to premium and then go to discount. So you guys, I don't have time. Let me show you quickly the trade that I took and the progress of my account so far. Fine. So here is the trades that have been taken, and last week I I managed to get $205, guys. That is an achievement. A whole week with no losses. That is an achievement. But anyway, let me see if tomorrow we shall get a trade, because when price takes out that sell side liquidity, which it probably will today, I won't be taking a trade. I'll be waiting for next week, because on Fridays there's always a retracement back to the Sunday's opening price. So let me see you next week. Okay guys, I've remembered something before I end that video. I was anticipating, okay, sorry about that. I was anticipating for price to retest this line here that I have marked in purple, because as you can see, there's another block there. And then what else is there? Yeah, I was anticipating for price to retest that order block there, but we did not get a fill. I would have entered that trade if price decided to retest that, but yeah, it just went okay. So you guys, I needed to come back here to just confirm with you guys that I was anticipating for price to take out this sell side liquidity. I've marked it in the orange line, and today's on a Friday, and we have taken out that sell side. This is a trade that I was sure, but I was not patient to wait for this trade to pan out. Let me see how many pips it. Wow, those were a hell a lot of pips. 49 pips. I mean, it was a bit, but anyway, guys, this was going to be the last time I was updating you guys. Let me see you next week.